is Thursday at IBM Think. Welcome to the Maple Lounge. Graham here, and I have with me as our guest today John Paganetti. John is now working with HCL, but he started with Iris in 1993 and has been shepherding us along in the Notes and Domino world ever since. So thank you very much for your time, John.
Oh, you're welcome, Graham. Thank you very much for having me.
Wonderful talking to you. So just a couple of quick questions while we talk here. My first is, what can you tell us about the relationship between IBM and HCL?
Well, it's as you said, I started in 1993 at a company called Iris Associates, which was then purchased by Lotus, which was then purchased by IBM, which was now purchased by HCL. So everybody seems to value us and love us. So it's very exciting as we move into the future. And I'm very pleased that HCL has seized the value, the existing value, and the future value of Notes and Domino, App Dev and Mail, and working on this team. It's just been great. I want to thank Darren Oberst for all that he did in making this happen. The engineering team, it's the core engineering team, is still intact, and we're working out of Chelmsford, Mass. I like to thank all the engineers that have worked with the product over time and our current engineers that are working on the product. It's very exciting.
Awesome. So tell us, what's one of the most interesting things that you saw at the show?
The biggest thing that I saw at the show was the ICS community around Notes and Domino is back, and they're back in force. I mean, they're very loyal, they're very excited that we're starting to be able to build new roadmaps about our existing products, our existing base, as well as showing some of the futures, things that they've been waiting for a while for, like Notes and Domino applications on the iPad is one of the key things that we've been showing all week. Yep. That is just going to open up lots of business for current, you don't have to modify your Domino apps, you can now access them and have full business functionality run on your iPad. It's things like that that are just going to knock the socks off the industry.
Well, speaking as a small member of the overall ICS community, we're pretty jacked about it too, so it's been really a lot of fun. I think back to Lotus Fears of 5 and 6 and 7 years ago where we didn't even necessarily hear the word Notes and Domino in some of those presentations, so seeing all the excitement that's here has been just awesome for us. Last question for you. What do you think about the future of Notes and Domino?
The exciting part is, if you're a Notes and Domino engineer, you're always thinking about the customers and what you want to do for them. And you're exactly right. We had to sit in the back of some of these presentations and just bite our tongue because we knew we had all this great stuff that we've been building up, and we were given Think Fridays and we could work on anything we wanted to, and we'd be enhancing the product. Cool. Now we just needed a delivery mechanism for a lot of the good stuff that we did, and HCL has given us that mechanism. We have roadmaps that are coming right out of dev. And what I'm looking for most is getting back, working hard with the development team, the engineering, and again, delivering value, working with our business partners, design partners, and our customers in early betas. And then I'm really looking forward to Domino 10. I mean, I think it's going to be awesome. It's going to show I don't say we're not turning the tide. We're just going to re-unleash the power of the Domino platform. So it's really exciting for me.
I'm going to steal one extra minute of your time, or maybe 30 seconds, for one follow-on question. I was in the session with you this morning where we actually got our hands on the iPads and were able to actually touch the Notes client on the iPad. But there are two beta programs that were being promoted. I wonder if that might be worth talking about really quickly.
They are in Andrew Davis's slides. I don't know the exact URLs.
We'll post the URLs, but just what the purpose of the programs are.
As any good software, it's an agile development methodology that we have. So as we develop this, we want immediate feedback. When we change something, we alter something, we want to get, are we going in the right direction? First, even the smallest of things, especially on this app, of what buttons need to be enlarged, or what forms need to change. So getting that immediate feedback, how we want the scrolling to work with the iPad, which our little hinky minks for collapsible sections, so we have to make those a little bit bigger for us people with big thumbs. So all of that feedback, the sooner we get it, the higher quality product we can quickly deliver to our customers.
Right. So as I say, we'll post the links to the beta programs. But you can be a customer, you can be a business partner, you can, as long as you're interested and can invest some time, you can sign up.
Andrew Davis likes to say, drink our own champagne. I like to say, eat our own dog food. We use it internally, we provide feedback, but it's also, we are end users, administrators, developers, but getting the community involved, it just makes it that much more stronger a product when we do eventually ship. So anybody that can help out and participate, we gladly welcome.
John, thanks very much for your time.
Thank you for having me.
Very nice talking to you. All right, everybody, we'll see you next time.